Transcriptomics. The population of messenger RNA expressed by a genome at any given time is called as transcriptomics. In other words, the complete collection of transcribed elements of the genome are called as transcriptomics. The study of the characteristics and regulation of functional RNA transcript population of a cell or of an organism at a specific time is called as transcriptomics. In this diagram, we can see the comparison between different omics terminologies. This is genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, epigenomics, and cystromics. Genomics is actually the study of the genomes or the study of the genes or sequencing of the genes and genomes is genomics, where we gene sequences. In case of transcriptomics, we study the messenger RNAs. The techniques to study the messenger RNA can be microarray hybridization or by RNA sequencing. In case of proteomics, we study the entire proteins, which is called as proteomics. The techniques used for studying the proteomics is liquid chromatography, mass spectrometry, and we can sequence the proteins to understand their functions and to understand their structures. In addition to these, there are epigenomics and cystromics. In case of epigenomics, we study the epigenome, and in case of cystromics, with the help of chip sequencing, we study the cystromes. So these are different terminologies that what is genomics, transcriptomics, and proteomics. Transcriptomics is that genomics is with the help of transcription is transcribed into transcriptomics. Genomics is actually the genome, study of genome, and transcriptomics is the study of transcriptome. In other words, the study of the messenger RNA. Then from transcriptomics, we study the proteome, that is proteomics, and then the metabolomics, that is metabolome. So in this case, when we study the genomics, that is actually the genotypes. We study about the genotype. But when we study transcriptomics, proteomics, and metabolomics, we are actually studying the phenotype of the organisms. So here is that how central dogma of molecular biology works. DNA is transcribed into messenger RNA. Messenger RNA is translated into proteins, and proteins perform different functions of the organisms. So transcriptomics is the percentage of the genetic code that is transcribed into RNA molecules is called as transcriptomics. It depends on development stage, the effect of the environment, time of the day, and tissue, because there is a variation. Variation can be due to the environment, it can be time of the day, it can be between tissue to tissue. So if we conclude that what is transcriptomics, collection of all gene transcripts present in a given cell or in a given tissue at a given time is called as transcriptomics.